If you're looking at Audrey and Evelyn and wondering whether it's a legitimate clothing store, the negative reviews raised some serious red flags. Let's break it down. Audrey and Evelyn presents itself as a boutique fashion retailer offering trendy clothing at heavily discounted prices. At first glance, the website looks professional, and the product photos can be very appealing. But here's the catch. Many complaints follow a very similar pattern. Customers frequently report that the items they receive don't match the photos shown online. Common complaints mention poor quality materials, incorrect sizing, and products that look significantly different from the advertised images. Several reviewers also claim that what appear to be premium fabrics turned out to be inexpensive synthetic materials. The biggest issue isn't necessarily delivery, it's returns. Across review platforms, customers repeatedly complain that returns require shipping items internationally, often to China, at the buyer's expense. Many reviewers say this makes returning low-quality items impractical and expensive. Others report difficulties obtaining refunds or receiving only partial refund offers instead of full returns. So is Audrey and Evelyn real or fake? The store appears to be a real business in the sense that many customers do receive products. However, the large number of complaints about product quality, misleading photos, refund difficulties, and expensive return shipping make it a high-risk purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.